Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, April 11th, and this is my analysis for the Euro Yen. If you haven't done so, definitely do join my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner at the end of the video, and take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. So, anyways, the euro again has been drifting up. It definitely is higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. We are going down a little bit right now, but as long as it doesn't break and hold below structure, definitely recommending longs. I think this is either an A or a 1. I think this is either a B or a 2, and I think this is either a 3 or a C. I personally think it's a 1, 2, 3, but I always label it like this because if it does break structure to the downside, if I think it's a wave 3, then I may ignore the break of structure and I may ignore the fact that the market is proving that it really is a wave C. I personally think that it's a wave 3, and I personally think that it's actually much better odds that it's going to keep going up, making a wave 3, 4, 5 over the next several weeks. Probably a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of wave C, of wave B. So if that's the case, then we definitely want to continue to look for longs. If that's the case, then it should not break structure at a Fibonacci level, but instead it should continue this high low series, because instead of being an ABC, this would potentially be a 1, 2, 3. And a wave 3 really shouldn't break and hold below structure at a Fibonacci level. So as long as it doesn't do that, I would recommend nothing but longs in an uptrend. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.